Hello, friend. My name is PvnRT and I've come to teach you physics. Hey, hey, hey.
PvnRT, isn't that a chemistry thing?
Just PvnRT it.
That doesn't matter. I have a song for you.
I don't need your
Let me sing my song, you fool! Let's talk about momentum. We represent momentum with a P, mass with an M, velocity with a V. When you put it all together, P is equal to mv, and therefore the unit for momentum is kilograms meters per second.
What's impulse?
Not only is there P is equal to mv, there's impulse equals ft.
Impulse is a chain of momentum so sublime. It is the force multiplied by a period of time. Its unit is just Newton second, second to none. It's really just can't be outdone.
Wow, you're really bad.
Don't test me!
Here, watch what momentum does to this kid over there. His mass is 50 kilograms and his velocity is 0 because he's at rest. His velocity was 0, mine was high, but his mass was quite great compared to mine. Collisions aren't affected by velocity alone. That's why a super fast puppet like me can move a big sturdy stone. For a high momentum, you need a high velocity and mass. Once you have both, you can use momentum with class.
It's collision time.
This is where collisions happen. I enjoy watching them.
Wait, how did I get out here?
When objects strike and tangle, be it straight or at an angle, their mass will become mangled and you got yourself an inelastic collision.
That doesn't rhyme.
Your face doesn't rhyme! The equation is momentum of object 1 plus momentum of object 2 set equal to the total mass times the final velocity of the whole system, aka v prime. Use my good friend trigonometry to find angle and direction.
Hi, my name's Trigonometry, but you can call me some duh.
Cars collide. Before collision, car 1 with mass 1,000 kilograms moves east at 6 meters per second. Car 2 is 2,000 kilograms and moves 2.5 meters per second north. They tangle when they collide. With what velocity and what direction do they move after the collision? When you split up momentums into x and y components using the formula, you see that it goes 2 meters per second east and 1.6666667 meters per second north.
Wait, so that would be 2.6 meters per second at 39.8 degrees north of east.
Wrong! Use sig figs!
Oh, so it's 3 meters per second at 40 degrees north of east.
Indeed. I have taught you all I know. Make me proud.
I think I'm ready for my test. Thank you, PvnRT. Alright, I got this.
Hello, friend.
You're not even moving the mouth.
What?
Yes.
Okay.
When he moves the arm, the student says what? We have to film this.
What's impulse?
Yeah, of course I can see your hand right now.
Okay, well then how?
Wait, yo, move it down. Just that.
You know, why not I be the art?
No, like you have to be like it's like its beauty just can't be undone.
Okay,
Its beauty just can't be outdone.
We have 2 minutes.
This is where collisions happen. Oh yeah, my voice, wait.
Yeah.
We failed this physics project. Send this all up to Hollywood.